Today is 1st of December. You exactly have 31 days to achieve whatever you wanted to achieve. Let's assume you are one of my student or you want to become certified PMP and you have been thinking from 1st of January 2023 till now it has been your goal. You wanted to do PMP, but due to many reasons you were unable to do that. In this year, this is the last chance to get it this, and you have 31 days to get it done. I am here to tell you, if you are committed, if you can give 2 to 3 hours daily, there is no way you cannot get it done. Now, I'm not sure about your exact situation. Where do you stand? How much your preparation has been done? Like when I woke up in the morning, I just woke up 30 minutes back. I had discussion with few students who wanted to join my one-to-one program. Two of them have joined and they have already taken that training. Maybe you are like them, or you have not even started, or you have failed in the exam. It can be any of those situations. So you need to identify what your exact situation is. You can pick me, we can have a discussion, and we can start working into that way. Let's say you are starting out. The first thing you need to understand, do you have a graduation degree plus 3 years experience, which means you meet the minimum PMI requirement. The next thing is to start getting enrolled in a program. You can enroll in my one-to-one program if your goal is to get it done by 31st of December. Or you can enroll in a group program if your goal is to get it done by the end of January. Let's identify the goal. Step number one is that we need to clarify what your goal is, what exactly date you are thinking to get your PMP done. This goal will clarify your thinking, and I would highly recommend that you write it down. You see, wherever am I have some kind of written thing where I write things. I do have iPad, I do have iPhone, all those good gadgets, but I prefer to write it down on paper. There is some kind of magic when we write down on paper that actually motivate us, that actually let us move better into the direction of doing things. So I want you that you write it down properly on a paper, whatever your goal is, and then let's start making a plan. See how many hours you can do. Now, this is a very important thing. We have to be pragmatic. We have to be very careful about this thing. We have to understand that how you can do things. What are the things that, like, how many hours you can give in the morning, in the evening? Can you give 4 hours? If you can give 4 hours, that is ideal. Like that is more than ideal. Like if you give 4 hours, 31 days, we have 122 hours to work on the PMP. So that is just beautiful. But let's say you can give 3 hours, still very good. You have 90 hours in a week. Let's say you can only give 2 hours on weekdays, and on weekend you can give 4 hours. So what is your case? Put it in the comment. I would like to know what is your case. And then you can contact me, join my program. I'll make a customized roadmap according to your requirement, like how much time you can actually spend. And then the next thing we need to work, we need to identify, do you learn more by reading? Do you learn more by watching videos? Do you learn more by live videos? Do you learn more by mind maps? Do you learn in what way? Let's identify that way. That is a second thing. Write it down. Okay. Now, the next thing need to identify is that how many questions you want to solve. Which topics are you strong? Depending upon your background, if you are from software industry, maybe agile is already your strong stance. Okay, so we now need to work on stakeholder communication team. If you are from civil domain, let's first work on agile so that we can bounce back from every single thing. Let's follow this step by step approach, because the goal here is very clear. The goal is that you become certified PMP in the minimum possible time. And let's see how we can add value. If you want to join my program, be my guest. If you don't want to join my program and want to do it yourself, there's a pathway series video, journey series video. Then there are question answer sessions. Watch that, make your plan, but start today. We have time. We can get it done in this month. And I am here to make sure that you get it done. And if you do, reach me out. I will be more than happy to celebrate it by recording a channel. Bye bye.